Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel, and in today's video we're going to make chips masala, so stay tuned and enjoy the video. I'm going to leave the ingredients and the recipe of this chips masala in the description box, so don't fail to check. So after cutting my potatoes, and then I just boiled hot water and then I put it inside the potatoes so that they can become soft, and also added salt on top of it. And then I left it there for 1 hour. You can leave it for 30 minutes or even 1 hour, the way you want it. And then after that, you can just then deep fry it, and then, yeah. Once you're done with deep frying the pommes or the chips, now you're going to make the masala now. So you start by adding like 2 tablespoons of olive oil in the pan. I just use my eye because I've cooked so many years and I know what 2 tablespoons of oil is. And then you add your onions, and then you fry them till they're dark brown. Not dark brown, but they're brown, yeah. And then you add in your garlic and your tangawizi and your ginger. Or how do you call it? So 1 teaspoon. We're going to add in our black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon. Then we stir. We're going to add in our curry powder. Water. Go ahead and add in our tomato paste, 1 tablespoon, and then our 4 tablespoons of ketchup. Guys, we're gonna add in normal water, some water. And then you add your salt to taste, like 1 teaspoon of salt. And then you add a turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. So guys, that was it. And then now we're going to add in our pommes, our chips inside. Chips is called pommes in German. I'm so used to calling it pommes, so don't never mind when I say pommes. And then it's all ready. And then you leave it to cook for some few minutes, like not too much because it's going to get too soft. And then you add some coriander, and that's it guys. So